students, today we are going to start a topic which is based on the concentration of solution and how we are going to express the concentration of solution. Now student, I think you know about what is a solution, right? And if not, then just telling it a solution. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose compositions is varied within a certain limit, right? So here, what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition is varied within certain limit. Right. Now to express the composition, right, we need the help of concentration. Now students, a solution, as you know, consists of two components. One is known as solute and other is the solvent. So a solution consists of two parts, a solute and a solvent. The solute is a substance or is a component which dissolves in other component, right, which is going to get dissolved in other component, right, first thing. And second thing is the solute, its quantity is less than the other component in which it is dissolved, right. Now what is a solvent then? A solvent, it is a substance which takes the other component or other substance into it, right, and it is always present in its quantity is greater than the solute, right, the substance which is going to dissolve in it. So student, what is a solution? It consists of two components, solute and solvent. Solute is always present in less amount with respect to the solvent, and it is a substance which get dissolved in the other component, whereas solvent is substance which takes the other component into it, other compound into it, and its quantity is greater than the solute. Now here we take an example of simple, when NaCl dissolved in water, right. Now here you can identify that sodium chloride or NaCl, it is getting dissolved in water. So since it is getting dissolved in other component, this is known as the solute, and it is going to accept that NaCl, so it is the solvent, right. Now compared to water, NaCl quantity will be always less and it will be always more in quantity, right. Now in your syllabus you have got the binary solution, that is solution which has only two components in it, one is solute, another is solvent, right. So what is a binary solution? The solution which consists of two components only, right. Now the binary solution, right. Now here the word is a composition. Now to express the composition, right, of different components, we need concentration term, right. we need the concentration term. Right, so the composition of the different components will be expressed in term of concentration. Now question arises that what is concentration? Now the concentration is the amount of solute that will be present in the given quantity of the solution. Right, so what is concentration? It is the amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solution. Right, now the concentration term of a solution can be expressed in different ways.